Hello everyone, my name is Fatima and today I'm back again with another things that you should put it inside your luggage before you come to Canada, number 6. Coming to Canada as students might be overwhelming and challenging because you have to remember to bring everything that you need. Sometimes you might not know what kind of letters and documents you should bring with yourself inside Canada, and today I'm going to explain those for you. First thing that you should remember to bring with yourself is passport. Make sure you have your passport on you and it has TRV stamp on it. TRV stands for Temporary Residence Visa, and you can send it to IRCC once you got passport request from Immigration of Canada. If everything is clear with your passport situation, let's move on to the second thing that you must bring it with yourself. Number 2, study permit approval from Immigration of Canada. Make sure that you have a copy of that letter with yourself because once you are here in the airport, you have to show that letter to the officer. Officer may request to see other supporting documents such as your approval letter from educational institution or any document which were submitted during your study permit application. After you prep all of your documents, make sure that you put them inside your backpack somewhere handy and safe so you can reach out to them whenever you need them. Also, make sure that you have another sets of copy of all of your original documents and put them inside your luggage in case if you lose all the original one, so you have something to show. Number 3, have a copy of your plane ticket. There is no harm of having your plane ticket in your hand so you have more confidence in case if your phone died or something happened to the airline system and they could not find your name. In this case, you have your ticket print out and you can show it to them. Thank you so much you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked this video and you learned something new from it. If so, please don't forget to share it on your social media pages or with your friends that you know they might need it. See you next time.